this video, you're going to learn how Teespring works. This is a Teespring tutorial for beginners. Also, watch this video completely to the end because I have some information that is going to be very helpful to you in figuring out if Teespring is the right platform for you to sell on. What's up guys, Tony here. I am a passionate graphic designer and brand developer. This channel is all about art and design related content, so if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. I'm just going to preface before starting this video that this video is intended to help you actually get sales on top of start your account. I also want to say that I'll be going from start to finish from the process, so you'll know every single step and you'll have some insights about things that I learned throughout those steps. So I encourage you to watch this entire video and go back and use it as a resource as you start your store. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. When it comes to print-on-demand services like Teespring, research is often left out of the process. Because it's relatively easy to put your designs online, people skip this and find themselves making shirts that no one is interested in buying. So follow this process. We're gonna validate that people actually are interested in the shirts that we're creating. We're gonna find inspiration for designs that people are actually interested in buying, and it will make this process so much easier and you'll actually get the result that you want, which is people purchasing your shirts. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open up our web browser. We want to go to a website called ubersuggest.com. When we open up this website, just bear in mind, this is a keyword search website. So this is quintessential to our research process. We want to search for the type of shirt that we want to create. So we want to have a niche. So a niche, for example, is like if someone says, I like fitness, they like cycling. I like fitness, but I like yoga. I'm gonna talk about pets in my shirt, so I'm gonna type cat shirt. So after pressing search, this is what we'll see. It's going to prompt us to create a free account, but right now we're going to exit out of that. The first thing that we want to look at is search volume. There's a lot of people searching for this topic, 14,800, so that's a great sign. There's 53% SEO difficulty, so there's so many people searching for this. It's very competitive, but not too competitive. If we go down, we can look and see what people are actually searching for. So we can see cat shirt, cat shirts, cat daddy shirt, and then cat shirts funny. So cat shirts are in high demand. It's crazy. We can see that. If we click this button right here, it'll take us into the top websites that are searched for this term. So we can see Amazon, we can see Etsy, and we can see Etsy again. Also 2 other websites that sell t-shirts. So what I want to do now that we have found that there's a lot of traffic for this topic, we need to get some inspiration for the t-shirt that we're going to create. Okay? So we're going to head over to Etsy. So we're going to type in cat shirt. And it will prompt us with the designs that are currently on the website and with the designs that are selling right now. So we're gonna go through this, take some notes. We got cat mom, we got some graphic ones with some words. We got sorry I'm late, my cats were sitting on me. We seem to be seeing a lot of those. Sorry I'm late, my cats were sitting on me again. Here it is again, here it is again. So we've established a trend. We don't want to create a shirt that says this exactly, but we're taking note that this is something that obviously is selling. Otherwise, people would not make so many different variations of the same shirt. I also want to let you guys know that graphic t-shirts are great with images and stuff like that, but I have found that t-shirts that are text-based sell quite a bit more, okay? So we're going to take some mental notes. We're not going to copy these designs, but we're going to use this as inspiration for our own custom t-shirt designs. So if you currently don't have this app, you're going to want to download Typorama. Typorama is an app where you can add text, you can do designs for Instagram, Facebook, any social media, as well as t-shirt designs. So it's going to be a really nice way for you to get in there and start designing if you're not a graphic designer and if you're not willing to pay for a graphic designer to come on and design your shirts for you. So we're going to open up Typorama right now, and on the far right it says colors. We're going to click transparent. When we open this up, we're going to press original size on the bottom left, and we're going to press next at the top right. That'll take us into this place where we can add text. We're going to double click the text. I'm going to put, "I'm sorry I'm late, my cat was being cute." There's so many like cute cat videos online, and cats are all the rage. So I figure people are pretty into their cats. This could be a viable excuse, you know, watching your cat purr and meow and jump and do all type of stuff around the house. After you find the wording that you like for your design, you can go through this bottom toolbar and find the right font. The cool thing about this is there's so many different fonts to choose from, and when you find the font that you like, you can click on that same font over and over, and Typorama will change up how it lays out the font. So you can have it be long, you can have it be stacked. This app is so great for this feature, and it will expedite your design time. So after looking through all the different designs and fonts that were available, I ultimately settled on this one. I thought it looked the most like what we had seen on Etsy. So I'm gonna scale it up so that it's high quality, so that when I print it, there's no blurriness or distortion in the final print. So now click the button at the top right, OK Share, and then on the left, at the top of this toolbar, you'll see Save. You want to press that. That's going to save it to the camera roll. If you have a Mac or an iOS device, you can airdrop it directly to your computer. If you have a Dell or a PC, you can email this to yourself. Okay, so now let's jump into Teespring and add our designs that we have just created. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Start Designing. So that will launch this dashboard that will show you all these different types of things that you can print your designs on. We're going to go to Apparel because we want to do a t-shirt. And here we're going to have a few different styles that we can choose from as far as the style of the shirt. We got the classic tee, comfort tee, premium tee. I'll just say that the classic tee is going to get you more sales because the price of the shirt is going to be cheaper, but the quality is also lower. So these are going to be shirts that people kind of wear, but there's nothing exciting about them. They're not the best quality. However, the premium tees are very soft, very comfortable. When I've sold these shirts, people always comment on how comfortable they are. And they talk about, I want to get another one, or I like wearing it on the weekend because it's so comfortable. So depending on what you're trying to do, I would say if you're trying to use this as a way to make some extra income on the side, go for the classic tee. If you want people to see you as a brand and you're trying to create a brand around the t-shirt, then I would say go for the premium tee. For this example, we're just going to go through classic tee. I anticipate that most people watching these videos are wanting to do passive income. But like I said before, if you do want to do a brand, premium tee all day. So we're going to click Start Designing. So because our design, I believe, is black text, we're going to put that on a lighter color shirt like this. So we're going to go Add Image. We've selected the shirt that we have designed. It says, I'm sorry, I'm late, my cat was being cute. And we can see like the quality is good. And as we get smaller, it's just going to get better and better and better. It goes great there. So I think this is a good size, maybe a little bit smaller, maybe like that. And we're good to go. When you click this button here, it will give us some more color options. I would say keep your colors 3 to 4, not any more than that. Obviously, we can't do black because it won't be visible. So I would say do a blue. Let's do a pink. Let's do this kind of off-white color. And I would say we're pretty good. If you want to do a red or something else in here, feel free to do that. But like I said, be selective in your choices. Limit it to about 2 or 3. And always have white or black as one of those options, depending on the type of image that you have. So we're going to press done here. And then it will give us some other opportunities to add some profit here. It looks like the profit is $14.42 right now. If we wanted to, for example, bump up the price, give us some more profit, we can do that. So let's go to continue. Okay, so as we come to the end of this, we are now met with a few more options of how we want the design to be presented. We can select some additional styles if we feel we want to make, for example, a woman's tee, a long sleeve tee. If we want to have tank tops, hoodies, all these different styles are automatically presented to you to add. I think we could add a hoodie in here. I think we could also add like a tank top. I don't know that we would need kids or baby shirts or any joggers or anything like that. So we're gonna click into these. We're gonna choose one of these options. Just keep it simple, classic, and then we're gonna press done. We're also going to get the tank top. We're gonna go select styles. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna keep everything classic for right now, and then done. Okay. So now that we have everything that we want selected, we have the styles that we want the design to show up in, we can press continue. So this shows how everything is going to be displayed when people view our listing. We have a title section here and we have a description. When it comes to putting together your description of your item on Teespring, I would err on the side of caution because Teespring does not play and they will remove your listing. So these are 3 different ways that we could possibly do the listing. These are like keywords: perfect bridesmaid, bridal party, bachelorette party. So those are terms that people would search for. And then this description kind of goes in detail of what the item is and kind of giving like an experience around the t-shirt, why you would want to wear it and stuff like that. I would use this if you are, for example, creating a shirt like this. Just take this exact wording and change it around to fit what your shirt or tank top or hoodie is about. Same way with this section here. It just lists the actual title of the shirt and then goes in to describe it further. This other one down here is a little bit different. It's Google optimized. So this is a term that would be good to search on Google to find this shirt. And then they have their description down here as well. So hopefully that helps you guys. So going back to the design that we have, I have now added in a description. I ended up going with the second option. I thought that it fit a little bit better after all. So it says, this is perfect for cat lovers. Wear this in our pink, blue, and classic white. It's also a funny and great gift option. This title, like I said before, is just going to be the title of the shirt. So I'm going to say, I'm sorry, I'm late, my cat was being cute. I would also try to avoid saying things like limited time offer, any promotions about the pricing or anything like that. I would not do, because they will take your listing down and it will come across as very spammy, and they don't want that type of those type of listings on their site. So now that we have created our listing, we have our title, we have our description, it is time to publish the listing. It's gonna go through these different steps, and when they are all checked off, your shirt is now live and people can buy it, people can wear it, people can love it, people can share it online with their friends, all that good stuff. So this is how it will appear when people view it. They'll be able to get a close-in look of it. They'll be able to check it out on the different styles that we have it in. They can go through the colors. This is how it's going to look. When they click through the colors, there's pink. There's the blue. And then, of course, we have the white. The white looks really good. I'll also say, generally, the most commonly used colors are white, black, gray, and blue, like a navy blue. Those are the most popular. Like I said before, this video is intended for you to watch from beginning to end. So when you begin your store, when you open up your store and start making products, refer to this video as you set everything up. I also want to tell you guys, these are some make or break things that I'm about to talk about. For people that want to sell on this platform, this will let you know if you should or if you shouldn't. Teespring has something called a trust score. What this means is, over time, you create trust with them and they promote and market your product on their platform and their marketplace. That makes it visible for people that come on the site and are just searching. They can now see your listing. When you initially post your design on Teespring, no one can see it. So what they want you to do is to bring traffic to the website. So if you have an audience, if you are an influencer, if you have people that like love buying shirts from you or whatever, you send them to the website. They can come and purchase your shirt and it takes your trust score up. But if you don't have traffic already, and if you're not paying for advertisement or some form of having people come to the site, you will not make sales. This is going to be a make or break for some people, and I just want to let you guys know that that's part of how Teespring runs their business. They only want to market products and shirts that have already proven to sell. Because it's become so popular, they kind of limit people from being able to sell rapidly on their platform. If this is a make or break for you, hey, that's where the cookie crumbles. Establish an audience, and then maybe Teespring will be a viable place for you to post shirts. Also, just bear in mind, it'll be a place where you can create custom shirts, purchase them yourself, one-offs, and no one has to see them. Maybe it can be a place where you go through different designs, something like that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace!